In this video, I'll show you how to set up DS4 Windows on your PC and connect your PS5 DualSense controller. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so while many PC games support the PS5 DualSense controller natively, others are designed primarily for Xbox controllers and may not recognize all of the DualSense features correctly. That's where DS4 Windows comes in. It allows your PS5 controller to emulate an Xbox controller, improving compatibility with games that don't fully support PlayStation controllers. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to download DS4 Windows and install everything it needs, connect your PS5 controller, and verify that it's working properly. So to start, we're going to download DS4 Windows. You can open up your browser and just type in DS4 Windows on the search bar and look for the official website, which is this one, ds4windows.com. Or you can just click the link in the description of this video and it will bring you to the website. So let's go ahead and open up the website. And the website, to download it, you can click the download button on the top right. Click that. There will be some ads here, and then scroll down and then scroll down, and you're going to download the official DS4 Windows. So just hit download here, click download again, save it somewhere on your PC. By default, it will go to downloads folder. So just hit save and the download will start. Now you can go to your downloads folder and you'll have the DS4 Windows in a zip file. So to open it up, you can use WinRAR or 7-zip, but if you're on Windows 11, you can just extract it. Just right click, hit extract all, and you can extract it anywhere on your PC. Here, I'll just extract it on the downloads folder, hit extract, and you'll have it in the folder now. So let's open it up, go to WinX64, and inside it, you will have a bunch of folders. This is basically the installation folder, DS4 Windows, and you can put it anywhere on your PC. So look for ds4windows.exe. You're gonna open it up, double click on it, and then if you see this, that means you haven't installed the .NET desktop runtime. Don't worry, just hit download it now and it will bring you to this website over here. Now just click download and then save it somewhere on your PC and open up the installation. Just install it like usual, hit install, wait for it to finish installing, and after the desktop runtime is installed, you can close this and run ds4windows.exe again. This time it should work. Now you can pick where your profiles and settings to be saved. You can select program folder if you prefer a portable program, and also app data if you want a regular install. I will select app data, and here you're going to select the device support. You're going to check DualSense device support. You can check everything else if you want, Switch Pro, Joy-Con, and DS3 for PS3 controller, but what we need for the PS5 is DS4 device support and DualSense support. So just hit close now, and we're in DS4 Windows. So if you haven't installed the Vision Bus driver, you will need to install it first. Just click install right here. It will download it for you. Install it like normal. After it's done, hit finish. And if you scroll down, you can also install hit hide driver and faker input driver, but it's optional. For your PS5 controller to work, you only need the Vision Bus. So that'd be it. We're gonna hit finish. If you still see Vision Bus is not installed on the bottom left, you need to restart DS4 Windows. Just close it and open it up again, and it will say starting. So now we're ready to connect your PS5 DualSense controller. You can connect it through Bluetooth or just plug it in with USB cable. If you want to use Bluetooth, you can just go to settings and then go to Bluetooth and device and then click add device. Put your PS5 controller into pairing mode by turning it off, and then press and hold the create button and the PS button together until the light bar starts flashing. Now you can select Bluetooth and your DualSense controller will appear in the list. You click that and now we're connected to the controller. As you can see, it says the status is Bluetooth, but because my battery is low, I will just connect it through the USB cable. I'm gonna disconnect the Bluetooth. If you connect it through the USB cable, you'll see this under status, and by now everything is good. Your controller appear on the list and we can create a new profile. So go to profile, and then if you have this, select yes. The output controller will be DualShock 4, and then hit apply. And here you can configure the access config, light bar, touchpad, gyro, and other settings. You can customize it yourself, but for now, just name the profile PS5 like that, and then hit save, and you're good to go. If it says stop, it means that DS4 Windows is running. If it says start, you need to click start, and it will start running. Also, if you want, you can select the profile like that, hit stop, and hit start. And that'd be it. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.